everyone, it is Vlogmas day 2. I actually got home a while ago from feeding the cats breakfast because I had to get some things. I didn't bring my laptop, I didn't get anything, so I wanted to get things ready. I'm planning on taking off these nails and changing them. So these are the Jade Palace, I believe, that I've been wearing. Love them to death, and a lot of people have complimented me on them. If you guys saw day one's vlog, I did mention that. But I think it's time to change them because it is December 2nd. Did some Black Friday shopping. First thing I got is the Urban Decay All Nighter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. This is the hyaluronic acid watermelon fruit extract all day wear, which I watched Whitney Simmons on TikTok and she recommended this. Listen, she influences me a lot, okay? So if she says it's good, it must be good. So this is what it looks like. Next thing I got is Tarte Cosmetics Man Eater Mascara, and I believe this is in the shade brown. This was the most reviewed, most bought bestseller mascara from Tarte, so I wanted to give it a try. Next I got is the Rem Beauty On Your Color matte lipstick, and this is in the shade Drive-In Movie. I got the Rem Beauty Wicked palette, Oz Dust eyeshadow palette. When I saw people do the swatches of this, I had to get it, and after I saw the movie, it made me want it even more. So along with that, I got a lot of samples, and there's a lot of deals going on with certain things you buy, you get so and so. I literally got 2 free sample size, full size stuff for free that are worth $60, $70 worth of items. $70 robe. Okay, so the other set of Black Friday stuff is coming tomorrow, so you guys would see that in day 3's vlog. Hi everyone, so I'm back. I just did my mascara and eyebrows because yesterday my skin was burning so much that I'm too scared to do my makeup today. I've been using Urban Decay products for a while now, maybe since I was 14, and I used to use their all-nighter setting spray, so I haven't used this in a hot minute, and this is their newer one they came out with, I believe. And I love the packaging. I know people say you gotta be careful putting back on the lid though. Ooh, that's so creamy. I love that. Okay, it is so creamy. This is so pretty. Oh my god, the colors. That's gorgeous. Oh my god, this one, it comes with a template of eyeshadow looks that you can do with the colors. Ooh, yeah, we're gonna try this out. We're gonna try this out for a video. Okay guys, I'm currently at my brother's house and I forgot to bring my microphone with me, so don't mind the sound change, or the audio change, but I'm currently doing my nails and I'm filming a TikTok while I'm doing this. So we're gonna make a list and plan of what we're gonna do this Vlogmas to make it more fun and festive. Just know that this whole week is gonna be a little bit boring just because it's finals week. These are the usual lengths of nails I normally get. And to keep these nails on for a long time, what you want to make sure is that you don't wet your nails for at least 2 hours. So the glue can be settled and hard and actually sturdy. But look at this. Love it. These are the nails. Okay, so before I do anything, I want to eat my yogurt. I bought over a Chobani 20-gram protein, vanilla yogurt, 0 added sugar. If there's anything you guys want to see during Vlogmas, please let me know.